They say some things only get better with age. But in the heart of Gadong, at the famous Simpang 5, two legendary establishments have been battling for Brunei's taste buds for decades. One was founded in 1946, the other in 1952. Today, I'm finally stepping into a legend that's been on my list for 20 years to find out, is the 80-year secret to success still there, or are we just eating for the nostalgia? Stick around, because one of these meals was a total game changer, and the other, well, it was a bit of a roller coaster. I first heard about chopped Jing Chew from my colleague 2 decades ago. He has since left Brunei, but the recommendation stuck. I tried to visit last month, but they were closed for renovations. Walking in for the first time today, I was struck by the history. There's a beautiful mural on the side marking the start in 1946. 80 years! The place was packed, which usually means the secret sauce is still working. Luckily, we managed to snag a seat in the crowd. We started with the classics: soft boiled eggs. Warm, comforting, and perfect with a dash of white pepper and soya sauce. Roti Kuning Kahwin. This is the star. That yellow bread is crispy on the outside, pillowy soft inside. Biting into that thick slab of cold butter with the kaya oozing out, absolute heaven. Roti Kacang Kahwin. If you like texture, this is it. The peanuts add a great crunch to that signature ooze factor. Unfortunately, the momentum died when the mains arrived. KoloMee. Quite disappointing. The portion was small, the minced chicken was sparse, and the sauce lacked depth. It just tasted like sweet soya sauce. Sesame Kway Teow. This came with fish and fried tofu. But again, the flavor profile was flat. Just plain sweet soya sauce without that wok hei or savory kick I was hoping for. We washed everything down with classic coffee and teh tarik. But we couldn't leave without trying the pastries. Curry puffs, chicken and beef. A bit of a letdown. Lots of spices and fried shallots, but very little meat. egg tarts, and pandan chiffon. The tart was average. The chiffon was soft and sweet, but it lacked that punchy pandan fragrance that make a cake truly stand out. Now let's talk about the neighbor, Ching Nam Hong. Established in 1952, about 74 years ago, this place honestly blew me away. I tried the KoloMee beef brisket. It's a huge portion, easily enough for two. The brisket was chunky, the stewed daikon was tender, and the seasoning with lard oil and shallots was spot on. Pork mee sua. This was the soul warmer, loaded with ginger, red dates, black fungus, and a beautiful hit of rice wine. It's slightly heaty, but incredibly satisfying. Handmade curry puff. Unlike its neighbor, this was packed with actual chunks of potato and chicken. So you have two icons side by side. One has the best bread in the country. The other has the superior noodles. But if you only have one parking spot in this notoriously crowded Simpang, where should you put your money? Here is the verdict. If you are going to chop Jing Chew, stick to the Roti Kuning. It's legendary for a reason, and the 80-year-old atmosphere is worth experiencing. However, skip the noodles. If you want a hearty, value for money meal that hits every flavor note, Ching Nam Hong is the clear winner for main dishes. Their beef brisket and mee sua are top notch. The parking at Simpang 5 is a nightmare, but these two are worth the struggle at least once. Which one is your favorite? Are you team Roti Kuning or team beef brisket? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if this helped you plan your next breakfast, and subscribe for more honest Brunei food reviews. See you in the next one. Bye!